Unraveling the mystery of cylinder inspection. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy for you. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important phrase, cylinder inspection. Whether you're into engineering, safety, or just love expanding your English vocabulary, this video is crafted just for you. Let's unravel the mystery together and understand what cylinder inspection truly means. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, cylinder and inspection. A cylinder is a solid geometric figure with straight parallel sides and a circular or oval section. It's also a term used in various fields, from mathematics to machinery, to describe anything with a similar shape or function, such as a gas cylinder. Inspection, on the other hand, refers to the careful examination or scrutiny of something. It involves looking closely at something or someone, often to assess its condition or to determine compliance with certain standards. When we combine these two terms, cylinder inspection involves the detailed examination of a cylinder, often referring to gas cylinders, to ensure it is in good condition, safe, and meets specific standards or regulations. Why is cylinder inspection crucial? This process is vital for safety and efficiency. Cylinders, especially those used to store gases under pressure, can be hazardous if they are damaged or not maintained properly. Regular inspections can prevent accidents, leaks, and other safety hazards. They ensure that the cylinder can be used safely for its intended purpose, whether it's for industrial, medical, or recreational use. During a cylinder inspection, several aspects are examined. Visual inspection, checking for dents, rust, cracks, or any signs of wear and tear. Pressure testing, ensuring that the cylinder can safely hold its specified pressure. Leak testing, making sure there are no leaks. Regulatory compliance, verifying that the cylinder meets all local and international safety standards. This process should be carried out by a qualified professional who can accurately assess the cylinder's condition and certify its safety. We hope this video has shed some light on the term cylinder inspection and why it's so important in various fields. Remember, safety comes first, and understanding these specific phrases not only enriches your English vocabulary but also your knowledge of how things work in the real world. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay safe, and keep learning.